No! The Utah BDR is 744 miles long. Our group finished 575 miles of that before I got to go home and celebrate my daughter's wedding to Squatch. Where's our next point? Like our short mission. Like probably so we can make it there without fuel. We're close enough. I just don't know how close we are.
Probably make it home.
Really? We're that close? I've never left camp at 7:45 in my life. The previous night we rode into the dark. I was too tired to go on. We weren't probably supposed to camp here, but we did because of just was a safety issue. In the morning, I didn't have time for coffee, breakfast, no food. We expected it to be a fairly easy day. However, it was not an easy day. In fact, the Utah BDR has rerouted the section that we did because we met a couple of folks who called the BDR. They told us we had to turn around and we could not make it through. Well, you know how that goes. Until Johnny Mac, it's impassable, and I knew we were carrying on. Somebody said they want to be home by 7. We just keep going on dirt roads. I mean, fine with that. I just want to make sure we get nobody in trouble. Oh, crap. Did I get it? Hey, dear. Hey, dear. It's okay. So this turn here takes us back off of the pavement onto the dirt. And I have to say, this Trail 147 is probably my favorite of the Utah BDR. I had an absolute blast on this. Flowy, with twisties, just beautiful scenery, and the riding was fast with some technical, but man, cutting this footage to make this video even watchable was hard because, seriously, this was a blast. If you get the chance, you should definitely do this. For the record, I got out of camp at what time this morning? For real?
I don't know, what time did we get out of camp? 7?
Okay.
7:47.
It started with the 7. Okay, this is unheard of, but I want to show you people how hurried I was. Look at my boots.
You haven't even latched your boots.
I haven't even latched my boots yet. And we're 70 miles in, I don't know, 70 miles into the trip. So what'd you do to this tree? Why is there branches?
I was just looking at the beauty. Road turned and I didn't. Just zipped along the ditch for a little bit. Grabbed a couple of leaves with my right handlebar. No harm, no foul. Got back on the road. We're just here to enjoy the beauty of this incredible country.
He's got a new nickname. Tree trimmer. Tea break is over. Time for the boys to play. We had to hop a little bit of logs, kill some time and gain some skills. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Maybe, just maybe, we'll get to see a rare unicorn award. Who do you think is gonna end up on his ass? John Kerr? Johnny Mac? or me. One preload, wheelies.
You're gonna just try to wheelie as much as possible. Try to do it slower with the same amount of clutch. That way it'll lift instead of jump more.
Well, you'll just have to wait and see. No! Unicorn! Yes! And I got it. I got it. Hey, you want some help with that? What color was that? Purple? Purple unicorn? I know. That's awesome. So the trail just starts getting tougher and tougher. I don't know what time it was here, but it was after 1 o'clock at least. I'd had no coffee, no food, no Red Bull. Man, I'm dying. But we push on, still having fun, but I can feel the lack of calories for sure.
The rut, if you're weighted correctly, you'll just be able to drift because you're weighting the proper pegs, right? But to get out of a rut, you preload, brap, and jump out. So I'll do it in this big rut. Jump this, but this is when I fail.
Okay, sweet. Let's get it. Of course he nails it. So I don't even know what happened. Honestly, I really don't. But I ended up over there. It's not a hard trail. See my tire tracks here. What on God's green earth, Cody? Oh, great. Would possess you to just smash into the wall. Oh, it looks like we got some serious problems. The rack is off. Moscow's off. Carnage on this trip has been ridiculous. Yep. First thing you do when you step up on the bike, get a smoke. That's what we do. Busted the Moscow. I don't know how those bolts are gone. Adventure continues. And the embarrassment.
You okay?
I'm alright, my bike's...
Schultz went off a freaking ledge.
What?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
He was going so fast.
Is he okay?
His bike is like in that canyon.
Are you kidding? Is he okay?
He's okay, but he's hurt.
Previous time, Johnny stated never a dull moment. Are we having dull moments?
Adventure.
This is like John's dream right here. Oh yeah! This can't be what stopped him.
Got stopped by that.
I think they got stuck back there, and he hiked down to the confluence, which is right here.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that was it.
Well, these two were...
I mean, they were on big bikes. So they told us we couldn't go this way.
I haven't seen their tracks.
No.
No.
But you know what's important, guys? I see 4x4 tracks.
Yeah, I saw him.
Anywhere a 4x4 goes,
We
you
go.
can go.
Well, that makes me proud.
So this is the
And
most
just
cool
the real
thing
good.
that's ever happened.
I just...
Yeah.
This is the coolest thing. If all adventures were this, I will go.
That was
Just pack food into the next adventure. I need a freaking Red Bull. I went through here, it was so deep, I couldn't see, so I was just hoping I was going straight. Alright, Perapsters, thanks for following along. Don't forget this is part of a series of the Utah BDR group ride. After this one we went to Current Creek, which that video is available on the playlist. And from there we pretty much went home. I went and watched my daughter, my oldest daughter, get married and had a great time. Small wedding due to the fun circumstances of this 2020. But anyway, I appreciate you watching. These rides, like the BDRs and these videos, are made possible by the patrons, so I thank you patrons very much. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.